Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For years, the Subaru Outback has been the go-to for adventurers and families alike, blurring the lines between wagon and SUV. But for 2026, Subaru is shaking things up big time. We're talking a full redesign revealed, and the biggest question on everyone's mind is, has the Outback finally shed its wagon roots to become a true, undeniable SUV? Let's break down everything you need to know about the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback. Right off the bat, the exterior is where you'll notice the most significant changes. While it retains that signature Subaru ruggedness, the 2026 Outback takes on a much more assertive stance. The front fascia is bolder, with a more upright grille and revised headlight design that gives it a more commanding presence. Those wheel arches are more pronounced, hinting at its increased capability, and the overall profile looks more substantial, more SUV-like. Subaru has clearly listened to feedback and given the Outback a more traditional SUV silhouette while still maintaining its unique identity. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin of the 2026 Outback has been completely reimagined, offering a more refined and technologically advanced experience. You'll find higher quality materials throughout, improved ergonomics, and a generally more premium feel. The centerpiece is likely an even larger, vertically oriented infotainment screen, a staple in recent Subaru models, now with enhanced responsiveness and updated graphics. Expect seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a host of new connectivity features. And for those who love the Outback for its practicality, fear not. Subaru has maintained, and likely enhanced, its renowned spaciousness. There's ample room for passengers in both rows, and the cargo area remains incredibly versatile. With the rear seats folded down, you'll still have a cavernous space for all your gear, whether you're heading to the campsite or tackling a big shopping trip. This is still a vehicle designed for real-world utility. Underneath that refreshed exterior, we expect Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system to be even more refined, offering superior traction and stability in all conditions. The suspension has likely been retuned to provide an even more comfortable ride on pavement, while enhancing its off-road prowess. And speaking of off-road, the increased ground clearance, if confirmed, will only add to its capability, allowing you to venture further with confidence. This is where the "finally an SUV?" question truly gets answered. The Outback is poised to tackle more challenging terrain than ever before. Powertrain options are crucial. While official details are still emerging, we anticipate a continuation of reliable and efficient boxer engines, possibly with updates for improved power and fuel economy. There's also speculation about hybrid powertrains becoming more prominent, aligning with Subaru's commitment to sustainability. We'll be keeping a close eye on the exact specifications once they're fully revealed. Safety is a cornerstone of the Subaru brand, and the 2026 Outback will undoubtedly continue this tradition. Expect the latest generation of Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist Technology, offering advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, and more. Subaru consistently earns top safety ratings, and the redesigned Outback is sure to uphold that standard, providing peace of mind on every journey. So, to answer the burning question, is the 2026 Subaru Outback finally an SUV? Based on what we're seeing, it's certainly leaning much more heavily into that identity. It's bolder, more capable, and visually more aligned with traditional SUVs, while still retaining the core practicality and adventurous spirit that Outback owners love. This redesign feels like a natural evolution, pushing the Outback further into the SUV segment without alienating its loyal fanbase. It's a compelling package that promises to be a strong contender in the competitive crossover market. What are your first impressions of the 2026 Subaru Outback? Are you excited about the new direction? Let us know in the comments below.